Next, let's see how modern machinery combines to extract coal underground. Introducing the Star Wolverine, equipped with 25-inch diameter propellers, a robust 302 horsepower engine, and ample tank capacity, it runs non-stop for up to 10 hours, effortlessly tackling these challenges. The Degelman single roller is tailored for specialty crop producers who need a smaller machine than standard designs for their farming operations, offering enhanced suitability and efficiency. The Vogel Super Series asphalt pavers, developed by the German company Eichmann. The video showcases the Super 803, a new generation of compact and efficient equipment designed for superior asphalt laying. The amphibious Menzi Mug excavator excels in diverse settings like wetlands and swamps, showcasing its unique adaptability in aquatic ecosystems. The logging truck is struggling to navigate the muddy roads. The TM11 excels in tough conditions with its robust design, featuring easy maintenance, heavy-duty mainframe wheels, and a dozer blade. It offers excellent visibility and an ergonomic operator cab. The HD9 drum crusher efficiently crushes roundwood into processed chips. It excels in handling medium-sized roundwood, producing high-quality chips suitable for specialized boiler burning and manufacturing products like MDF or chipboard. First up, the slag carrier autonomously picks up and drops slag pods, boasting low maintenance and a dumping angle of up to 130 degrees. Easy to operate, it packs 300 horsepower, standing 15 feet high and 35 feet long. Next, meet the Liebherr LR 13000, the world's tallest crawler crane. Primarily used in power plant and refinery construction, it effortlessly handles industrial columns weighing up to 1,500 tons and measuring 100 meters in length. The exosystem from Built Robotics transforms excavators into autonomous machines. Equipped with all-weather enclosure, proximity radar, 360-degree cameras, VPS, and a fast computer, it ensures safe and genuine autonomous excavator operations. Experience the sheer might of Liebherr as they effortlessly lift smaller cranes with larger ones, demonstrate flawless balance with heavy weights, and hoist a staggering 764-ton crane while holding another aloft. The transport of 2 CO2 gas tanks from Barlage to Durban was doomed from the start. One tank toppled over, landing in a field. Luckily, no one was hurt. Let's revisit this heart-stopping moment together. The Log Cut MCS40, a modular machine tailored for firewood producers. Its multi-blade saw ensures efficient log slicing, maintaining consistent output regardless of log length. Rockhog is the ultimate solution for various applications, operating more cost-effectively and without damaging road surfaces. Excavated rock can be reused, reducing the need for multiple machines and enhancing efficiency, safety, and cost-effectiveness. Next, let's observe together how this tank will navigate through this icy river. The Eichmann motor grader is an underground motor grader built for tough mining conditions. With its strengthened frame and wear-resistant components, this 9-ton machine excels in demanding rock mining environments. The Tikaretsk snowplow, designed by a Russian machine plant, clears snow with a rotary and plow mounted on a railway chassis. It expands from 3,100 millimeters to 4,700 millimeters and can rotate 180 degrees to cover large areas efficiently. The Model 1720 stump puller is a beast designed to tackle stumps 7 to 23 inches in diameter across different soils. Its goal is to yank out stumps efficiently. The PackMat PK311RC is a garbage compactor ideal for 6x4 or 4x2 trucks with hydraulic systems. It compresses various types of waste in a 35 cubic meter container by applying force from the top down. The Mingyang Meiser 16.0-242 wind turbines are monumental in renewable energy. With rotors spanning 242 meters, equivalent to 2 football fields, these towering giants are designed for maximum efficiency. Built from advanced fiber-reinforced polymers, they balance strength with minimal weight. Each turbine delivers an unprecedented 16 megawatts of power, enough to supply over 20,000 homes annually. Beyond their immense size and power, these turbines are engineered to withstand extreme weather, including typhoons and tidal waves, ensuring reliable energy production over a 25-year lifespan. Watch as a massive truck speeds along the road, transporting a colossal load. As it passes under a bridge, The top of the cargo collides with the bridge's structure, causing significant damage. This intense moment highlights the sheer scale of the cargo and the dramatic consequences of misjudging clearance. Austria's Danube Bridge, the country's largest steel bridge at over 8,400 tons, faced a monumental challenge. To transport its two massive sections, each 100 meters long and 32 meters wide, from the pre-assembly area to the river piers, Marmoette was called in. Using the Megajack 800, Marmoette's engineers lifted the bridge segments safely and swiftly. The sections were then transported via SPMTs onto a floating barge. Balancing these colossal pieces with precision, Marmoette flawlessly positioned them, completing one of the most impressive feats in bridge construction. Why use multiple machines when the WL285 bucket can sort materials on-site efficiently? This innovative bucket processes up to 480 pieces per hour and allows a single worker to sort items in just 5 minutes, tool-free. The Sandvik TH665B, a prototype currently being tested in California, is touted as the largest capacity battery electric truck for underground mining with a 65-ton payload. It's up to 30% faster on a 1-to-7 ramp than conventional diesel trucks. The Traffic Line's Duo Twister offers a groundbreaking solution for racetracks, addressing the buildup of rubber residue caused by racing maneuvers. Originally designed for racetracks, this German technology is now also utilized effectively in airport settings, ensuring clean surfaces before each day's operations. The Automec 9000 Foglia version is a specialized harvesting machine by Ordimec, Italy, tailored for leafy vegetables like lettuce, spinach, and arugula. The TigerCat 2000 is a powerful and efficient logging machine. Known for its robust build and advanced technology, it excels in tough terrains, offering superior performance in tree felling and processing with exceptional fuel efficiency and low maintenance requirements. The Case IH Steiger Quadtrack 620 tractor stands out as one of the largest, most powerful, and fuel-efficient models available. It measures 25 meters long and 13 feet tall, housing a 12.9-liter Case IH FPT engine with two-stage turbocharging that delivers up to 682 horsepower. Fuel tanker veers off freeway, tumbles down embankment. Thankfully, the driver emerged unharmed. Afterward, the rescue team is carrying out their work. The Cat 992K is prepared for transport by Awar Transport on a heavy haul truck. Against an industrial backdrop, its bright yellow body emphasizes the machine's immense size and power. The TG7000 offers innovation and power for large land clearing and wood waste recycling. It features Vermeer's duplex drum for minimal maintenance, a microprocessor-controlled PT Tech wet clutch to manage torque, and a patented cutting system with 10 hammers and 20 dual-bolt cutting blocks. One by one, fully loaded timber trucks carefully roll onto the ferry, their heavy cargo causing the deck to creak slightly under the weight. As the last of the 6 trucks settles into position, the ferry's engines roar to life. Slowly, it begins its journey across the river, the water parting as the massive vessel carries its precious load to the other side, a powerful display of coordination and strength in motion. Transporting houses by truck is a captivating yet intricate task, requiring meticulous planning to avoid turning a beautiful home into rubble with one wrong move. The process starts with dismantling fragile parts and reinforcing the structure. Once secured on specialized platforms, high-powered trucks carefully tow the homes, navigating every turn with the precision of a tightrope walker, because one misstep could mean disaster. Watch as a massive wind turbine is transported along the road, navigating tight turns and potential hazards. Due to its oversized dimensions, every moment is fraught with risk, demanding the utmost concentration from the driver. The journey is a high-stakes operation where precision and focus are crucial to safely delivering this colossal piece of equipment. The Tiger Stone machine allows construction workers to pave over 200 square meters of road daily, significantly more than the 75 to 100 square meters achievable with conventional pavers. The Senebogen 895E hybrid sets new standards with its colossal weight of 420 tons and a reach extending up to 40 meters. This giant in port machinery excels in handling scrap metal and coal. The Hoffmann EH33-4 is a specialized self-propelled road marking vehicle from the German company Hoffmann, designed for spraying thermoplastic. It features a 500-liter pressure tank, a diesel pump, a burner, and a centrifuge for glass beads. Now, let's turn to the robust mounted stump grinder. It's highly adaptable for excavators ranging from 2.5 to 8 tons. With or without a quick coupler, the equipment features a 20mm thick disc and 5, 7, or 9 carbide teeth that can be repositioned 3 times to extend their lifespan.